Hi students, welcome to this session on even and odd signal. Here we solve the problem from even and odd component. Right? Find the even and odd component of given signal. So this is what n, this is x of n they give. What I want? Even component of the signal. So x e of n is x of n plus x of minus n divided by 2. Right? So x of n is known, x of minus n we have to draw. What is x of minus n? X of minus n is given by mirror image. So 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is a problem, right? So don't think that I forgot to write the numbers. So 0, this mirror image is 3 will be here only. This 2, 1 will come here. So minus 1, minus 2, 2, 1. Fine. So minus 2. Right. Similarly, here this will come here. So this is minus 2. This is minus 1. This is 1, 2. Okay, now we got x of n and x of minus n. What I have to do? Add both and divide the amplitude by 2. So add 1 to 1 addition, 0, 0. Here it is 3, here also it is 3. 3 plus 3. First I write, see what is that? X of, let me first start with 2. X of 2 is equal to x of 2 plus x of minus 2 divided by 2. Clear? So otherwise you have to add 1 to 1. Anyway, you can do both the methods. Right? So what is the thing? If you add 1 to 1, that will also give the same answer. Okay, so x of 2 is what? 1. Here x of 2. This is what n is equal to 2. X of 2 is 1. Right? And x of minus 2 is minus 1. Here or not? Otherwise, you see here when you substitute n is equal to 2, what will happen? It is minus 1. Here you substitute n is equal to 2, it is plus 2. Both are giving the same answer. So it is like 1 to 1 addition only. So you add these two. So what will happen? 3 plus 3, 6. That is divided by 2, 3. So add to 0, it is 3. Then you add these two. This is 2, this is minus 2, 0. You add these two. 1 minus 1 divided by 2, 0. So this is 1, this is 2. Similarly, you add these two. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Similarly, you add these two. This is minus 1, this is plus 1, 0. This is what x e of n. So this is n, this is x e of n. Right? Next we find x o of n. What is x o of n? X o of n is equal to x of n minus x of minus n divided by 2. That I write as x of n plus minus x minus n divided by 2. So I have x of n already, x of minus n I have already. I find minus x of minus n, add with x of n. Right? What is x of minus n? This is what x of minus n. For that I have to take amplitude minus. So amplitude scaling. So if you this is x of n, this must be multiplied by minus 1. So if you multiply this, plus 3 will become minus 3. Right? 0. Minus 2 will become plus 2. 1. Minus 1 become plus 1. 2. Similarly, here plus 2 will become minus 2 if you multiply with minus 1. This is plus 1, it will become minus 2. This is what minus x of minus n. Now what I have to do? I have to add x of n with minus x of minus n. X of n is here. I have to add with this one. So here you see addition. This is plus 3. This is minus 3. If you add both, you will get 0. So it will be 0 now. 1 to 1 addition. Otherwise I write x of n here. What is my x of n? This is my x of n. 3, 2, 1, minus 1, sorry, minus 2, minus 1. Is it? Yes. So now I have to, what I have to add? I have to add x of n with to minus x of minus n. This is x of n, this is minus x of minus n. Add these two. What will happen? This minus 3, this plus 3, so it will be 0 only. When n is equal to 0. Right? When n is equal to 1, add 1 to 1. If you add these two, this is plus 2, this is plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. That is divided by 2, 2. This is plus 1, this is plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2. That is divided by 2, 1. This is minus 2. Fine. This is minus 2. This is also minus 2. Add both. What you get? Minus 2. Fine. This is minus 1. This is minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. That is divided by 2, minus 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 2. That is divided by 2, minus 1. Clear? So what happens here? You see, we got the answer like this. Right? So what happens? Here you see, this is what? Even component. Fine. And this is what? Odd component. You see the signal itself a odd signal. Yes or no? It's anti-symmetric. It is 3 to 1. It is 3 minus 2 minus 1. So resulting signal should be a, we should have only odd component. There should not be any even component. That's what you see. Even component we got 0. Right? So suppose if it is 0, what will happen? Surely we will get exact even component. 0. Everything. If this is 0, what will happen? This 3 will not come. So it will be completely even component will be 0. Instead of this 3, if it is 0 there, everything will be 0. So it indicates even component is 0. It has only odd component. So you see, it will be purely odd component. Yes. So the answer is correct. This is what x o, right? So x o of n, it is fully odd component. So the resultant signal indicates our original signal contains only odd component. Even component is 0 except this one. That's true. Right? These are all odd component. Yes or no? This is odd component, this is odd component. That we got. Are you understanding logic? We got those odd component. This 3 is a even component. That we got. So it's a beautiful problem to understand the concept of even and odd component. So directly we can see, you don't need to do all the problems. See, in competitive exam you have to predict like this. It is 3, it is 2, it is 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 1. What is the even component? Only this is the even part. So fantastically we can write by seeing the question itself. Even component is 3 only. This is mirror image. Here the mirror image is failure. What is odd component? Here 2, here 1, here minus 2, here minus 1. Odd. We got this. This is even. Right? So I hope understand even and odd component clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.